You walk into a coffee shop. The barista stares at you, waiting. You panic and just point at something random. This is for beginner English learners who know coffee words but freeze when ordering. Today, you'll order exactly what you want at any American coffee shop. Miss one phrase and you'll drink something too sweet, too bitter, or totally wrong. Brian, what confuses people most at coffee shops?
All those size names. Tall, grande, venti.
Right? Let's make it simple. The barista says, "What can I get for you?"
Do I say the size first?
Yes, start with size, then the drink. Say, "I'll have a medium coffee."
I'll have a medium coffee.
Or if you know the fancy names, "I'll have a grande latte."
I'll have a grande latte. What if I forget the sizes?
Just say small, medium, or large. They'll understand.
That's easier.
Practice. Say, "I'll have a medium coffee."
I'll have a medium coffee.
Excellent. Say it again.
I'll have a medium coffee.
Good. Now they ask, hot or iced?
Oh, I need to know that?
Always say, "Hot please," or "Iced please."
Hot, please.
Simple. Next question, room for cream?
Room for cream?
Means, do you want space in the cup to add cream yourself?
Ah, I say yes?
If you want to add it, say, "Yes, please." If not, no, that's okay.
Yes, please. Makes sense now.
Now here's where it gets tricky. They ask about milk.
Like what kind?
Exactly. Whole milk, skim, almond, oat, lots of options.
How do I choose?
Say, "What kinds of milk do you have?"
What kinds of milk do you have?
They'll list them, then pick one. "I'll take oat milk."
I'll take oat milk. Practice. Say, what kinds of milk do you have? What kinds of milk do you have?
Excellent. Say it again.
What kinds of milk do you have?
Perfect. Now, sweetener. They might ask, "Do you want sugar?"
I say yes or no.
Or get specific. Say, "Can I have 2 sugars?"
Can I have 2 sugars?
Or, "Do you have honey?"
Do you have honey? I like that better.
Most places do. Now, flavors. Vanilla, caramel, hazelnut.
How do I add those?
Say, "Can I add vanilla syrup?"
Can I add vanilla syrup?
Or, "With caramel, please."
With caramel, please. Will it cost extra?
Usually, yes. You can ask, "Is there an extra charge?"
Is there an extra charge? Same as restaurants.
Exactly. Now you're at the counter. Your drink's not ready yet.
Where do I wait?
They'll say, "We'll call your name," or "It'll be right up."
Do I stay at the counter?
No. Step aside. Wait near the pickup area.
Got it.
They call a name, but it's not yours. Don't grab it.
Obviously.
You'd be surprised. People take the wrong drinks all the time.
Really?
All the time. Wait for your name or your order.
Makes sense.
Your drink arrives, you taste it, something's wrong.
Like what?
Too much sugar, wrong milk, not hot enough.
Can I say something?
Absolutely. Say, "Excuse me, this isn't what I ordered."
Excuse me, this isn't what I ordered.
Or, "Can you remake this? It's not hot enough."
Can you remake this? It's not hot enough. They'll do it?
Yes, they want you happy. Practice. Say, "This isn't what I ordered."
This isn't what I ordered.
Excellent. Say it again.
This isn't what I ordered.
Good. Now what if you want something special?
Like extra hot?
Exactly. Say, "Can you make it extra hot?"
Can you make it extra hot?
Or, "Light ice, please."
Light ice, please. Less ice in my drink?
Right. More coffee, less ice. Common request.
Smart.
Here's one people forget. You want decaf.
Decaf?
No caffeine. Say, "Can I get that decaf?"
Can I get that decaf? Important if it's nighttime.
Or if caffeine makes you jittery, always mention it up front.
Good tip.
Now, paying. They say, "That'll be $4.50.
I just pay?
Yes, card or cash. If you want a receipt, say, "Can I get a receipt?"
Can I get a receipt?
Some places ask credit or debit.
What's the difference?
Just how your bank processes it. Either's fine. Say which one.
Credit. Easy.
There's a tip jar on the counter. Tipping's optional here.
Not like restaurants.
Right, but $1 or your change is nice if service was good.
Okay, I can do that.
One more thing. You want to order for a friend too.
How?
Say, "And I'll also have a small black coffee."
And I'll also have a small black coffee.
Or, "Can I also get a tea?"
Can I also get a tea? Just add it on?
Yep, order everything at once. Easier for everyone.
Makes sense.
Let's review. To order, you say,
I'll have a medium coffee.
if something's wrong,
This isn't what I ordered.
to ask about milk options.
What kinds of milk do you have?
Perfect. You're ready.
I'm actually excited to order coffee now.
Good, because coffee shops shouldn't be stressful.
They won't be anymore.
All right, question for everyone. What's your go-to coffee order? Tell us in the comments. Maybe we'll try it. And subscribe if you want more English for everyday situations. Now, go get yourself a great cup of coffee.